All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Ooh, camera. My name is Mario Dakers. As your host, I will be giving you guys some information about. Oh, I think we have been getting this thing wrong. We have been saying stuff that we don't really understand, and we are definitely looking at things that we don't really get. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you guys an eye opener in how that many of us have been getting this thing totally wrong about the Reggae Boys squad. No, I'll be showing you guys two squad: the 2017 World Cup finalists and also the 2017 Gold Cup semi-finalists. I believe it's semi-finals. I think it's semi-finals where we face Canada, and then the finalists when we face the USA. So before I do that, I want you guys to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, my goal this year is to reach 50,000. 50,000 subscriber. As you know, it's my goal. If you don't set a goal, you gotta set goals in your life, and that's my goal. Only way I can reach my goal though is by you guys hitting that subscribe button and also that like button. So let's get straight into the meat of the matter. First squad I'm going to show you. Let me see first. Let me see. I don't want to make any errors. Which one? Hopefully it's the right one. So 4-4-2. Let's see. Good. Hopefully you guys are looking at the squad. I want you guys to have a very good look at this squad. Now, this squad that you're looking at is the squad that played the quarterfinals of the Gold Cup in 2017. Now, a recent post was made by none other than himself, Darren Mattaf, in regards to what the team should do, how the team should plan going forward, and what should have happened. He stated that, let me read exactly what he said. One thing I know, take out that part of that. Canada kept their team / system together for years and now leading with 22 points. As for us, I should say no joke thing. So basically saying that we didn't put any prior plan and preparation in that team. Now, what I want to show you guys is how this statement is actually false. It's actually false, people. How is it false? Let me show you something. Now, in that team that played Canada, I can count in the semifinals, I can count 11. Oh, let me use it. The Gold Cup squad, that 2017 Gold Cup squad, 11 of those players of those players have played in this, are featured in this World Cup qualifiers. 11. Now, we select a 23-man squad. That 23-man squad that we have selected has 11 members of that squad. 11. Listen to me, people. 11. Now, on the pitch, I'm going to show you guys who is on the pitch first. Then I'll give you names of who is not on the pitch. So on the pitch, let's look at this. Let's look at the players who is on the pitch, who are a part of our current Gold Cup campaign, World Cup qualifiers campaign. We have Andre Blake. We have Kemar Lawrence. We have Damian Lowe. We have Alvas Powell. So that's 4 already. We have Javon Watson. That's 5. Now, I need to take it off, people. So we have Damian Lowe, Alvas Powell, Andre Blake, Javon Watson, Kemar Lawrence. Now, I'm going to give you guys some names of some players that are also featured in this qualifiers. Let me see something. I don't get it wrong. I don't want to get it wrong. So people are going to come in after me. Good. Now, let me give you guys a name. Romario Williams. He's one player who played, I think he played in the Mexico game. Let me check. Give me a second, people. Let me check. So Romario Williams is one of the names who you don't see on the pitch here, but he did participate in a part of our World Cup qualifiers campaign. I think he played in the first game. Let me check. Yes, he did. He was the one in the number 10. So that is Romario Williams. We had Oni Fisher. Yes, we all know Oni Fisher has been with us the entirety of this campaign. We have Corberg. Corberg has been with us the entirety of the campaign. we have Dwayne Miller, and we all know Dwayne Miller is here. We have Shaman Nicholson, and then now we have Ricardo Morris. Let me see. I can't remember which one of the game Ricardo Morris played. Now let me check, people. As I said, I don't want anyone to come at me, bashing me. Okay, so he was in the squad, but he didn't get any game time. But definitely, he was in the squad. So, I am saying this to say that I am rubbishing all these talks about team needs to continuity and chemistry and all these aspects. In our current World Cup qualifiers campaign, 11 players were a part of that same Gold Cup run in 2017 that went into finals. 11 players. Now, some of these players who are not in the squad right now, or even some of the players who are in the squad right now, due to their own inconsistency of playing, keeping a contract, staying with a club, playing at the highest level, due to their own inconsistency, that's the reason why many of these players are left off the chain. Now we have Mr. Mattox, and we have a lot of players agreeing to it as well, saying that we should have kept that same team. He said that we should have kept that same team and build on that team. Now, my question is, we did keep the team. Alvas Powell, that's 1. Andre Blake, that's 2. Damian Lowe, that's 3. Kemar Tax Lawrence, that's 4. That's literally the entirety of the back line. That is literally the entirety of the defense. Then we have Javon Watson, who has played significant amount of games in this World Cup qualifiers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players. 5 players who are who are solid members of this World Cup qualifiers campaign. Solid members. And I didn't mention even Corberg, another solid member. O'Neil Fisher, another solid member. Shaman Nicholson, another solid member. So that's 8 solid members of that 2017 World Cup Gold Cup finalist team. 8 of them are consistent players in this World Cup qualifiers campaign. So, would you say that is continuity? Yes, I would. If you can keep 11 players who we would consider are the former coach Tapa would consider as core players, his core players. We kept 11 of the Gold Cup finalists out of that squad. 11 of them run through all the campaigns, all the games coming straight up, and at least each one of those games consists of minimum 4 out of that. That is continuity. Now, we're system. Where he mentioned the word system, let me show you his tweet. Let me show you what he said. I'm going to show you what he said, people. Where he mentioned the word system, that has nothing to do with the players. That has to do with the coach. And that is a coaching error. So you should beat the coach for that. And definitely this move that was made with all these players coming along, this was the coach's decision. The coach did say he has his own core players. Now, when you look at it now, it's a part of the coach's fault why he's picking players who are still not consistent. Because in the same year that we defeated Canada in the quarterfinals, we lost to them 2-0 as well. And if you should check the stats, we had about 36% possession in that game that we defeated Canada. Yes, fine, we won. Yeah, fine, we won. But later on in the year, the underlying metrics caught up. So this narrative that people are saying that we need to use the core players, we need to build a base and this and that, all these type of things. I'm just rubbishing it right now. Show you that we had 11 players who started off this Gold Cup, this World Cup qualifying campaign, These guys, as you can see right there, these guys were a part of the 2017 Gold Cup finalist squad. And out of that squad, we had 5 starters. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 5 starters who are consistently playing right through the entire period of this World Cup qualifying campaign. These 5 starters are Andre Blake. It's actually 6. Andre Blake. Alvas Powell. Damian Lowe, that's 3. Kemar Tax Lawrence, that's 4. Javon Watson, that's 5. O'Neal Fisher plays a lot of games, that's 6. Corberg played a lot of games as well, that's 7. That is 7. That is 7. 7. 11 of those players, that is half of this the World Cup qualifying squad. We only selected 23. We only selected a 23-man squad. And half of that 23-man squad was a part of the CONCACAF Gold Cup finalist team. So when Matak's coming out and saying that we should have built on that, it was literally the same team. It was half of the team. We have half of the team. What more billing could we have done? What more billing? It boils down to poor coaching. Poor coaching. No system was implemented during that entire from 2017 until now. No system was implemented. No style of play, no pattern, nothing like that. Nothing on the pitch. And that is one of the reasons why World Cup failed. Not has to do with coaching. Administration play a big part in that, because they should have seen that the former coach wasn't doing the right thing. He was calling players who were out of contract. Yes, maybe coach is saying that he wants to keep that continuity. He wants to keep them going. That continuity, yeah. But you can't keep a player that is not playing consistent football. You can't keep a player that is out of a club. That doesn't do that don't do well with that just don't do well with what you're trying to do. And that's it. That's just it. But anyways, people, guys, all I'm saying is there's so much wrongs, so much errors. And all this talk about build core players and carrying players, build use players from whatever, these players, and no. Far deeper rooted issues than just saying use players, because a lot of people are saying that that should have been one of the squad. And the people right now, how many of those players would, the final question, put it in the comment section, answer it from people, answer it. How many of these players would have made it? All the players would have made it into the World Cup qualifying squad that we have right now. How many of them? And please put it in the comment section. In the meantime, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, Military Guna TV, people. And have a good day, people. I am out.